Now that I have my schematic drawn, it's time to build our circuit. Now I have my circuit built, battery pack, breadboard, LED, resistor. I can check it off my list here. Now each node on my schematic here adheres to this here, where my positive charge meets the LED. Here, where my LED meets the resistor. Then here, where the resistor meets the negative charge. Then once again I can check this off my list. To demonstrate how standard socket works, I have moved my positive charge into row 9 here, where the LED is in row 10. These two are not connected. The buses or the rails here on the side are all connected, and I can put a negative charge in here, connect it here, and connect it with the resistor here. Same with the positive charge. In here, connected to the LED. Can take this off as well. So our current as of now goes from the battery pack here into this rail, open across to this wire here, across to here, into our LED, through our LED, into our resistor, back into our ground charge, into this bus here, and back out into our battery pack. Now I have the last part of this activity set up, where our current bypasses our first LED, and to do that I added a wire in here beside our positive charge all the way over to our second LED, where it connects and feeds out back into the battery pack. So now I can check off my last two checks. Second LED added and first is bypassed, and checklist shown and updated during the video. Thank you.